Hi everyone, I'm pretty excited today because my parcel came that I've been waiting for. Now this is from Yarn Club, which are situated in New South Wales. I got onto this because I was interested in all the ads that kept popping up for hook and needles. Hook and needles, I think that's what it's called. And I saw a review on Mel's Yarniverse channel on YouTube, which I will link in the description below so that you guys can go check her out and give her some love. She's got a brilliant channel, very similar philosophy to Sally and myself in terms of op shop hauls and upcycling and all that sort of thing. So definitely go give her some love. But she did a review on the hooks and needles, and which comes from America, I believe. And one of her followers had commented in the comment section saying you should check out Yarn Club, which is based in Australia. So of course, being Australian myself, I definitely wanted to check it out. So my parcel arrived and I thought we'll unbox it together. So I'm just, with my knife here. It opens up this way. There we go. It's got this. I was looking at the side with the label on it. Probably my light's reflecting off that too much. Knitting and Crochet Yarn Club. And you can choose whether you want crochet or knitting. I don't know if you can read that there, but it's www.yarnclub.com.au. AU, because it's Australia. Alrighty. Still battling with the tape. Bear with me. Doing it with a steak knife doesn't help either. This looks pretty exciting. I'm getting a little sneak preview in the box. Right, finally, I have it open. Ooh, look. All right, let's go through this piece by piece. Oh, look, sachet coffee. They know what's needed. They know what's needed. Okay, all right. In these little organza bags here, we have cute little balls of yarn, which are cotton and acrylic. Cotton 60%, acrylic 40%. And there's some, let's have a look. Let's open that up and have a look. Some little Christmassy, ooh, like tiny little beanies and a little scarf by the looks. Let's take them out. Oh, how cute. I guess in this one we'll be making something Christmassy, given that it's now October, late October. Get into that Christmas time of year. Okay, and then we have this other bag, which has, this one has some brighter colors in it. That's cute. Cute little baby yarn. All right, now this one also has a little bit of cotton thread there. Interesting. We'll have to see what we're making. There is some instructions in here as well. There is some polyfill, all vacuum sealed, still quite puffy. There is some tea to go with coffee and bickies. Honest, we need bickies when we have coffee. So an Australian not to. All right, everything else is in this bag. So this is the October 2024 members and the instructions. So we're making some amigurumi. I don't know why I struggle with that word, given that I was actually an A+ student at Japanese in high school, but I do trip on that word for some reason. So there are other few bits and pieces in here as well. So you get your crochet hook, 3mm crochet hook. you get your darning needles. There's 2 metal darning needles in there of 2 different sizes. And that's, yeah, that's really good. Sometimes the metal ones work better than the plastic ones, just depending on the project. We also have, so I think we're making some ornaments, because these will be the toppers for the ornaments. And safety eyes, 8mm and 6mm. There's also, I won't take them all out, but you've got your stitch markers in there as well. So, but I am going to take the instructions out just so we can have a little bit better of a look of what this month's project is. All right, so we make a koala, a snowman, and a Santa in ornaments. So there's a picture of them up the top there. I don't know how well you can see that. Very cute. Oh, there's a little galah. Come on, fingers. Oh, no, that's still the same one, I think. It's just, is it really thick paper, or is there 2 there? Must just be really thick paper, I think. Oh yeah, there's a little galah, a cockatoo, and that's it. That's it. So I'm wondering whether the little unicorn on the front here, that might be next month's. So to see this month's project pictures and download the free magazine and all patterns, you must be logged into the website. There is a coupon here. So I think their website has a bit going on, but looks, which would be good to check out. It's such thick paper. I keep like, is it just the one? I'm pretty sure it's just the one. This one's thinner though. But that's all right. You've got some nice sturdy instructions there. I just love the idea of having a little project arrive every month and get to try a few different things that I might not have normally attempted. And as you can see, you get everything that you need. So you get all your yarn, you get all your the size crochet hook that you need, the safety eyes, the stitch markers, the darning needles, and your polyfill, of course. And, you know, you can have a cuppa and some bickies while you get your crochet happening. So yeah, I can't wait to give this a go and show you guys how it turned out. Probably should do that before Christmas. It is now late October, but I still have so many projects on the go and so many things that I've like put teasers on TikTok that I actually want to finish so that people can see what they are before they lose interest in, oh, what was it she was doing again? Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Hi guys, I just wanted to add on to the edge. I've had a look on the Yarn Club website and logged into my account. So I've created an account on there. The monthly subscription for the crochet box is $42.95, and then there's $10.50 on top for postage. So, you know, for around 53, what is it, 53.45, something like that, you get everything that you need. And if you sort of break it down as to what you would pay if you had to buy everything, because you get everything that you need in that kit. There's nothing that you need to go away and purchase or even raid your stash for. So, you know, when you calculate the cost of the yarn, the crochet hook, the needles, the safety eyes, the polyfill, and they've given you the exact amount of polyfill that you'll need, so you don't have to go out and buy a whole bag of polyfill and only just use a little amount, unless, you know, you're using polyfill regularly. So in my opinion, it is a good value, and it's fun. It's fun to receive a little package every month and have a bit of a surprise about what you're going to find. Just adds that little bit more excitement to the hobby. So yeah, in my opinion, good value for money, and you're supporting an Australian business too, which is great. So I'll still pop the info down in the description, just so you guys have got it all there. And let me know, leave a comment, let me know if you went ahead and joined their website and purchased a subscription. Definitely go check out the website though, because they don't just do subscriptions. There's heaps of stuff on there, different things for sale, and yarn, and yeah, yarn, what can I say? So yeah, check it out. So obviously it doesn't cost you anything just to have a look at the website, and yeah, see what you think and let me know down in the comments below. All right, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this episode, please give us a like, a little thumbs up, and consider subscribing, because it does help our channel a lot, and you will have our gratitude. All right, thank you. Bye.